Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Signal RGB not detecting devices. Getting Signal RGB to actually detect your devices sometimes feels like trying to convince your PC that your expensive RGB fans exist and aren't just decorative plastic mood lighting. First thing I always check inside the app is whether my hardware is even supported because Signal RGB won't magically detect something it doesn't recognize, no matter how hard I stare at it. Go to the supported devices list and confirm your exact model and controller, especially for fans and LED strips. If that checks out, close every other RGB app running in the background like iQ or Armory Crate because they love fighting Signal RGB for control like siblings arguing over the TV remote. I've also had luck running Signal RGB as administrator, which sounds dramatic but actually fixes detection issues more often than you'd think. Next, check your USB connections and make sure your RGB controller is plugged directly into the motherboard header, not through a sketchy splitter you found in a drawer labeled random cables. After that, restart the app and give it a few seconds. Sometimes it just needs a moment to wake up, stop ignoring your hardware like it's mad at you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.